My name is Tamika Jackson, and I am CEO of SSLS, which is Successful Strategies for Life Science. We're a consulting firm based out of Boston that we focus on life sciences organizations to help them get their drugs approved and marketed in the US and around the world. We're successful because, one, I've been in the industry for over 20 years. And for me, regulatory and clinical operations are a passion of mine. But really making sure that the client has the answers for what they need to provide the solution that's going to get them the resources and the goals that they're trying to achieve. Our name Successful Strategies comes from the fact that we've proven that the strategies that we use, from clinical development to clinical operations, regulatory affairs and operations, we make sure that we provide the strategy that works for the client. We've been doing this for over 20 years. We have brought many companies with their NDAs, INDs, and all of their regulatory solutions to fruition by ensuring that we provide the recommendations and the actual teams to be able to make it work. The Beautiful Way Foundation is my passion. One of the things that we do at The Beautiful Way is we serve the underrepresented and the underserved communities to ensure that they have access to the clinical trials that they need in order to have better health outcomes. One of the ways we do that is we help the person to become whole in what they need. So whether it's mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, educational, we ensure that that person has the tools and the resources that they need in order to be able to pay attention to what matters most is their health. One of the reasons why the Beautiful Way Foundation is so important to me is because I'm a Black woman. And as an African American woman, I know that we are 13% of the population of the US, and yet only 6% of clinical trial participants are Black. So for me, I think that that's a problem that I want to help change. For Hispanics, we have about 18% of our population in the US that is Hispanic, but only about 1 to 6% actually participate in clinical trials, the clinical trials participants. That does not represent the fact that we together are almost 30% of the population. We must do better. And the Beautiful Way Foundation is here to serve that need. We want to identify the barriers that keep the underrepresented from participating in clinical trials. And we want to bring partners together to be able to provide the solutions to those barriers. So the Beautiful Way Foundation, we just launched, we are proud of it, and we need the support to be able to continue to go on to be able to meet our goals. So please check out thebeautifulway.org to be able, beautifulway.org, and to be able to find out how you can get involved in supporting the Beautiful Way. I'm really excited to be here at the Bullpen festivities this week because at the Bullpen, as DEI director, it is my responsibility to bring women and BIPOC investors and founders in life sciences together to do what we do best, and that's help each other.